Students, in our previous class, I gave you some questions to solve. I hope you all have tried to solve those questions. So, our next topic is insertion of one or more rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Suppose this is your number line. In the center, it is a 0. Here, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And here, minus 1, minus 2, and here, minus 3. If I asked what is the number after 1, then you will say that after 1 it is a 2. But if this is a number line, this is 1 and this is 2, there are many numbers in between this 1 and 2. Suppose I am saying 1.2. 1.2 will also lie between 1 and 2. 1.7 will also lie between 1 and 2. That means we can say that between 1 and 2 or between 2 or 3, that means in between two numbers there are many rational numbers. So how to find out those rational numbers? There are two methods to find out. First method is mid value method and second method is gap method. You can find out the rational number by any of this method. So let's discuss both the methods one by one. Method first is, what is your method first? Mid value method. We are going to discuss mid value method. So suppose one example is find three rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. How you will find out the three rational number between these two rational numbers? So for finding out the first rational number, in this method one formula is there, that 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. What is a? A is the first given rational number and b is the second given rational number. Means here we can suppose that in the place of a minus 1 by 2 and in the place of b minus 1 by 3. So this is the formula for this method, 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b, where a and b are the given rational numbers. So for finding out the first rational number between minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3, write down the formula, 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a you write minus 1 by 2, then plus, in the place of b you write minus 1 by 3. Now what you have to do is solve this. So first solve the bracket. When you will, this plus minus will become minus, mean minus 1 by 2, this plus and minus will become minus 1 by 3. When you will solve this, you will get minus 5 by 6 here, and minus 1 by 2 will be as it is here. Now what you have to do is multiply it, multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. You will get minus 5 by 12, means minus 5 by 12 is the first rational number between this. What is the formula? Your formula is 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b, where you can suppose a is the first rational number and b is the second rational number. You just put the values and then if you will solve this, you will get the first rational number. Now this is your first rational number, you got the first rational number. Now here we have to find out three rational numbers. So for second rational number, suppose this is a number line, you can suppose here minus 1 by 2 is there and here minus 1 by 3. So first rational number is between both, so we can write here, maybe here it is a 5 by 12. Now again we can find out the rational number between this. We can also find out the rational number between these two. Second is find out the second rational number. Find the second rational number between minus 1 by 2 and this minus 5 by 12. You can also find out the rational number between minus 5 by 12 and minus 1 by 3. It is up to you. Now how you will find out? Again write the formula 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a you can suppose minus 1 by 2 and in the place of b you can suppose minus 5 by 12. So put all the values 1 upon 2. In the place of a you write minus 1 by 2, then plus, in the place of b you write minus 5 by 12. When you will solve this bracket, you will get minus 11 by 12 and 1 by 2 will be as it is. Now multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. You will get this, and this is the second rational number. For finding out the third rational number, you can take the third rational number between this and minus 3 by 2, or if you want to find out the rational number between this and this, you can also take this. If you want to find out a rational number between minus 11 by 24 and minus 1 by 3, this can also be possible. So third, I am finding out the third rational number between minus 5 by 12 and minus 1 by 3. So again, put everything on the formula 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a, suppose this is in the place of a and this is in the place of b. When you will solve the bracket, 1 by 2 will be as it is. This will give you minus 9 by 12. Now multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator will give you minus 9 by 24. When you will cancel this, you will get minus 3 by 8. That means this is the first rational number, this is the second rational number, and this is the third rational number between this. This is your first method. Now what is the second method? Second method is gap method. So let's understand the second method. Find 6 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We will solve this question by second method, gap method. Here we can see 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. Yes, denominators are same. Then compare the numerators. Here 4 is greater than 3. That means 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. Now, what is the gap between both the rational number? Gap means their difference. What is the difference? 4 by 5 means 3 by 5. This will give you 1 by 5. Find out the gap. Why? Because the name of the method is gap method. That means first find out the gap between two given rational numbers, and gap means their difference. So when you will subtract 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5, it will give you 1 by 5. Now to find out 6 rational numbers, you need to find out 6 rational numbers. So first thing you have to do, 6 plus 1. Add plus 1 in 6. You will get what? You will get 7. If in your given question it was given find out 5 rational number, what you will do? You will do 5 plus 1. This will gives you 6. Okay. Here it is given 6 rational numbers. So I am doing 6 plus 1, which means equal to 7. Now divide the gap by 7. What is the gap? 1 by 5. And when you will divide this gap by 7, this will multiply by this and give you 1 by 35. When you will divide 1 by 5 by 7, this will multiply by this and give 1 by 35. Now the 6 rational numbers between this are, how you will find out? What is the first rational number? 3 by 5. So write 3 by 5 and then add plus 1 into this number 1 upon 35. When you will multiply this, you will get 1 upon 35, and when you will add this, you will get 22 upon 35. So this is the first rational number. Student, this is little bit typical method, but if you want to solve the question by this method, you can solve, but the mid value method is more easier than the gap method. So this is your first rational number. For finding out the second rational number, take the first number 3 by 5, then add 2 and then multiply by 1 by 35. When you will solve, you will get this, and this is the second rational number. For third rational number, 3 by 5, add 3, then into 1 upon 35. When you will solve, this is your third rational number. What about the fourth rational number? Fourth rational number means 3 by 5 plus 4. Why? Because it is a fourth rational number, and into 1 upon 35. This is the fourth rational number. For fifth rational number also, 3 by 5 plus 5 into 1 upon 35. This is the fifth rational number. Sixth rational number, 3 by 5 plus 6 into 1 upon 35. First you have to multiply it and add it. This is the sixth rational number. That means these are the 6 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Let's solve our next exercise 1E. Our first question is find one rational number between 6 and 8. You can directly solve this question. What is the one rational number between 6 and 8? The one rational number will be 7. In between 6 and 8 there is a 7, but we have to solve it by any of the method. So I am taking the mid value method because it is the easier method. So one rational number between 6 and 8, write down the formula 1 upon 2 a plus b. In the place of a, suppose 6, and in the place of b you take 8. 1 upon 2, write here in the place of a 6, in the place of b 8, is equal to 1 upon 2. This will give you 14, and when you will cancel it you will get what? 7. That means 7 is the rational number between 6 and 8. 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b, this is what? This is a plus b. When you will add this you will get 14, and when you will cancel it you will get 7. That means this is the one rational number between 6 and 8. Next question is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 and 1 by 4. You need to find out only one rational number between this. So first find out first write down 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a write 1 upon 3, and in the place of b, or what you will write, the second rational number, it is 1 upon 4. When you will solve this bracket you will get this, and 1 by 2 will be as it is, this will be as it is. Now multiply the numerator 7, multiply the denominator 24. Means 7 by 24 is the rational number between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So this was the mid value method. Next question is find out two rational number between 1 by 2 and 7 by 8. Same, I am taking the mid value method. For finding out the first rational number, write 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a write 1 by 2, in the place of b you write 7 by 8. When you will solve this bracket you will get 22 by 16. Multiply the you can cancel this and you will get 11 by 16. For finding out the first rational number, 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b, in the place of a you write 1 by 2, and in the place of b you write 7 by 8. When you will solve this bracket you will get this, and when you will cancel this you will get 11 by 16, which is the first rational number. But you want two rational number, so you have to solve one more step. Now you can find out the second rational number between 1 by 2 and 11 by 16, or you can also find out the second rational number between 7 by 8 and 11 by 16. So if I am taking second rational number between 1 by 2 and 11 by 16, this will be in the place of a and this will be in the place of b. Now again write down the formula 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b. So in the place of a write 1 by 2, in the place of b write 11 by 16. When you will solve this bracket you will get 38 by 32, and this by 2 will become with the multiplication, and when you will solve you will get 19 by 32, which is the second rational number. Means this is the first rational number and this is the second rational number between 1 by 2 and 7 by 8. Next question, find 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 8. This exercise is same. You need to find out one rational number, two rational number, 5 rational number, or 6 rational number. So the question is minus 3 and minus 8. In the same way, suppose minus 3 is in the place of a and minus 8 in the place of b. So first rational number will be 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. In the place of a write minus 3, in the place of b minus 8. This plus minus will become minus 8, and this will minus minus will plus, but the sign will also always be minus. So minus 11, and this is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into minus 11 means minus 11 by 2. This is the first rational number. For finding out the second rational number, suppose find out the second rational number between minus 3 and minus 11 by 2. So you follow the same method, 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. So 1 by 2 in bracket a plus b. This plus minus will become minus. When you will solve the bracket you will get minus 17 by 2, and when you will multiply this you will get this. So this is what? This is the second rational number. Now proceed third rational number. Third rational number, find out in between this. So this will be a and this will be b. 1 upon 2 a plus b. This plus minus will become minus. When you will solve the bracket, you will get minus 27 by 2. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. This is your third rational number. In the same way, fourth rational number, between this 1 by 2 a plus b. When you will solve this, you will get this. Multiply the numerator, then denominator. This is the fourth rational number. Fifth rational number, between this is a, this is b. 1 upon 2 a plus b. When you will solve, you will get this, means this is the fifth rational number. So this is the method how to find out the 1, 2, 3 or 5 rational number between the two given rational number. So your exercise ends here, but you have to solve all the remaining questions. At least try to solve all the remaining questions. Thank you.